We just bought baby chickens and baby ducks for the farm, for the backyard farm. See? Two ducks and I believe I want to say 6 chickens. I think
It's okay, baby.
6 chickens.
It's okay.
Watch they don't get out. All right, now I gotta get. Let's pull this in the house, Mom. Yes, Elsa, we got baby ducks.
Here.
No, we're not leaving them out
You
here.
go in.
We're gonna put them in. We're gonna put them away in the house. Come on, let's go. Pull them in.
You can't take the babies in there until the dogs are
Mom, the dogs will be fine. Stop, please. Go.
You tell, Bubba.
Mom, you'll kill it like that.
He's chilling, honey.
Hey, 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 hey. You cannot see that. Hey, hey. You cannot see anything until. Get in there. Oh, it's chaos already. You haven't even got the farm ready yet. Bring the drill in. I gotta drill holes in this lid.
I know, baby.
Mom, you gotta wash the cat.
Yeah, you gotta. Like I said, you gotta put them upstairs in your room.
I gotta look in the room.
Then put them in your game room.
Whatever. Sit on your freaking butt all day. Alright, sorry guys, we got the feed. The water and the... I'm gonna put them in here. Whatever. You hurt that thing, Such? I swear to God, I'll kill you.
Come on.
I will put a freaking bullet in your head.
They're just smelling, D.
I'm gonna go upstairs. Alright. Put them in this room. There's a mess. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. I can hear that thing go right down here, upstairs. Yeah.
I was thinking while I was taking this up. Put that heat lamp in there. And the lid. Even with the, it might get too hot.
You're gonna have to put them in your room, in your office, or your game
Do
room,
we have anything like that?
or in the spare room where you can shut the door. Not that room, the other room. But they ain't gonna get out.
Here, hold on. You got the bedding and stuff in there. Where's the upstairs?
DJ,
I gotta make everything upstairs. Jeez. God. Alright guys, we're gonna get everything set up here. Put you all right here. Need my tripod.
And when you get done, your stimulator needs changed.
that's what you're gonna have to worry about, the cat going in there. You're gonna have
I'm gonna have to thing up, Mom.
to what?
The metal glass thing.
Yeah, but he jumps over it.
So then I'll have to kill it.
Oh yeah, he jumps up the glass.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have to put some jumper then. It's not a big deal.
That cat
You're
will
gonna
eat him.
have to
understand
probably put a string on a door handle and pull it out, put a screw on it.
And
Yep.
I don't want that room to start smelling like a farm.
It's not even your room. It's not gonna smell anyways, but I need my tripod.
What room are you putting it in?
My gaming room.
This gaming room.
I still don't want that room to smell like a farm.
Okay, whatever.
So that
You
means
can even probably put them in the closet.
No, the closet's too messed up. Mom, I'm not cleaning stuff right now. Jeez. Jeez and rods. Oh. This was my gaming room at one. Mom! Throw my bedding up!
so are you gonna put this lid on?
Probably not.
Here, Dig. I can't throw it up there.
Hold on, let me take a leak then.
You don't need that whole bedding in it.
I know! If will you stop, please? I know stuff about chickens.
Okay.
I watch Flair. He owns chickens, pigs, donkeys, goats. He owns everything. Huh? Alright, guys. So, that's the bedding. Got the bedding. I'm gonna open this bedding up. What's going on here? Now, we're gonna put the ducks and everything in here. I need a light. Hey, Mom, I need another light. Never mind. God, a little wobbly. You know what I'm saying? Got the bed made. Now we'll get them out and put them in here. Property line on break. Alright. Now I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Yes, I hear you. Cold. Alright, let me plug this heat lamp in.
Why no, they're happy to be out. Zip ties, please.
Garbage. Okay. Hey. Look at the heat lamp, see? See? There's like this one bird that was just sitting here. Oh, that's even pretty hard already. Alright, I need somewhere to... We're trying to find out a way to do this real quick. Hold on. Let's do this. Just tie this around here. Like there. Oh god, there's a couple holes in. Oh, I tried to rig this up on one corner. Trying to rig this up with one hand, so it's kind of a little bit difficult to rig this up with one hand. Take this, slide this, like that. got that set up. You got the heat lamp in there. They're all huddled up beside it. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. So, yep, that's that. Fix this freaking knife now. Retarded. Alright, we're gonna. Cannot give him food. We gotta give him water. Just give him water first. For an hour. When they get home. So we're gonna fill this up with water. Mom, I need some water. Should I give him cold water or should I give him like warm, lukewarm water? Or should I give him like super, super cold water? Just water for other second.
Fiberglass fishing boat.
Gun shop here, eh? Ain't far. Wait, what? Yeah, you said that. Okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, you. Hey, stop it. I don't think they know where the water's at. I'm trying to. They don't want to listen. Hey, water's over here. Over here. Over here. She's like, the fuck are you talking about? Where's my other one? Oh shit, what did I put this on? Move this thing over here. Y'all can't get food yet. Look here. Guys, got the water. It's water. What? Here. I don't think they know where the water is at. You gotta drink your water, guys. Water? You like water? It's right here. Look. You look, it's water. Why do you gotta be so dumb? I'm gonna move this over here though. This tote's not gonna be big enough. Because this feeder is gonna only gonna have a little tiny place to move. Okay. Anyways, come here. You got water. You got. I can't give you food till an hour later. Once the hour comes, I'll give you guys your food. Help me name them, guys. Chat, help me name them. These are the 2 ducks right here, and the rest are the chickens. So, let me know what you guys want to name them. Hey, you, come here. I have a feeling they're gonna bite me sooner or later. Oh, you almost fell. You got top heavy. You have water. I'm trying to splash them with the water so they know where it's at. Yeah, they're staying together. Yeah, they're just like really, really close together by the heat lamp. Yeah. One's getting stepped on. Hey, get off there. That's like the runt right there. That's like the tiny little runt right there, guys. He's so freaking tiny. Right there. He just moved. Okay, I think he's pooping. Yep, he's pooping. I'll be back tomorrow, 2 days later, and I'll change their bedding. I will join you guys tomorrow. Let you guys video. I'll probably have daily vlogs now because I got chickens, ducks. But I keep getting a goat. Ain't got no rooster yet though. So they won't lay eggs till about 6 to 8 months later once they start laying eggs. So pretty freaking awesome. Chicken eggs. So yep, they're so tiny. Like the little tiny runt back there. They're like that one, like right there. Right there is like the little tiny runt. I can't give them their things. Hey, be nice to each other. They're hungry. Huh? They said wait an hour. Alright, I bring the food up then. I need something to scoop the food out with. You wanna go see him, Elsa? You wanna go see him? You'll go with me. I don't want to take you over there. No, I'll play you this. Okay. Once I go up, I'll take you to the chicken. Okay? I won't forget about you, though. Okay. No, Elsa. Elsa. You don't listen. They're in here. food. Why don't you eat it? Come on, come here. Come here. Come here, look, come here. Looky, look at the ducks. Look. Get up here, look. Look here. Look here. Look. Look. Yeah, you see them? You see them? You see them? Yes, yes you do. You gotta be nice to them. You gotta be nice to them. You cannot eat them. You cannot attack them. Look here. You gotta be nice to them. I know. I'm gonna throw this a little bit on the floor. Just so they can. Alright, well, I guess that's gonna be it for the vlog today. I got baby chickens. I put some of the food on the floor right here. So I don't know if they're gonna get used to using the feeder or not. So, there's some bird poop there in that corner. So yeah. They're picking up the food now. I wanna see them use their feeder. Yes, I do. I wanna feed them, but I don't know if they're gonna hurt my hands or not. They probably will. Would you get off the duck? Get off of the ducky. Get off the ducky. Come on. Come on, get up. Guys, get off the duck. That one looks like he's ticked. Help me name him, guys. Close up there. Help me name him. Ducky there. The other duck's over here. Help me name him, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I got farm animals now, so I'm gonna be probably doing daily vlogs with the farm. Well, not really farm. I got animals right now, but I'm gonna be getting a predator-proofing enclosure outside. But until then, I'm gonna be sitting in here. They're actually in my old gaming room, and the bedding's over there. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.